to MK Vice.
MK and I'm reppin' for mukbangs. Louisiana money, militia, no chump change. Going for the shot with no pistol or gun ranges. Going down like the evening summer or sun rays. Let me get a drum roll, signed like Matumbo. Down south flavor, add some spicy to your gumbo. Be surprised, just subscribe to the channel. Good heart, good vibes, good food, good family. Mukbang's the place to be, and we got what it takes to make you eat. Mukbangs, we do what we do. Like and subscribe if you like to play with your food. Woo!
You play with our food. All right, guys, we're gonna do what we do before we get started. You pray with food, I pray with mine. Let's do this. Amen, amen, amen. All right, guys, so today we are doing AJ's Angus beef burger. I'm gonna put the address right here of the burger place. You guys, this place is amazing. Hold on, I think I got the receipt right here. That's not it. Yeah, I'm gonna just put the name right here. I met the manager yesterday when I went in. I bought the burger first and then I tried it. And then today, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna get a day and I'm gonna try the burger out. So on this burger, we have double meat, fried egg, pickles, bacon, grilled jalapenos, tomato, lettuce, and right here I got some sweet potato fries and a beer. Cheers. Let's do it. Oh, I got some onions on here too. Let's see, could I pick this up? Ooh. Y'all see that? Do you see it? Let's take a bite. Lego. Hold on. Gonna make a mess. Yeah. Set this right here. Okay, let's go. I have some ketchup right here. What's it on pepper? Oh, see that? Yo, this look good. Go see that? The taste you love. Let's go. God, it's good. It's supposed to be a taste test, but y'all, it's already going good. You want to see it again? Lego. How your day been? Excuse me. Eat some of these fries. Look. that burger back. Oh, I bit my tongue. It's good. Like this. Then that's a beer. Ooh. I'm back. Let's go. Yeah, so that meat. Yo, by putting the egg on there, it really set it off. That egg and the peppers. Oh, next time they have grilled pineapples too. Next time I think I'm gonna try the double meat, the egg, the sauteed jalapenos. I want to try fried mushrooms on it. They have these hate onion things. I'm gonna try that on it. And I'm gonna try the grilled pineapple also. And bacon. What's that gonna try? How that gonna taste? If y'all want to see me do that, let me know in the comments below. Ain't good. Ooh. I'm trying to finish it. This is really good. A burger with some beer. When y'all eat y'all burgers, do y'all like to have sodas with it? Or do y'all like to have water, beer? Let me know. A cold beer is really good with a burger. I'm watching Property Brothers on HGTV. Uh-oh. One more bite though. One more beer. we go. If you are ever in Arkansas, y'all have to try out AJ Angus Burger. Once again, I'm gonna put it right here. The name of the restaurant. Also, you guys, this restaurant is MK Bites Approved. So you guys, if you live in Arkansas, try it out. And if you visit Arkansas, try it out. Oh, you guys, we gonna do what we always do around this time. If you don't mind, take a little time to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. Oh yeah, one thing. So when I'm in a hotel, like right now, it is, I think like 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna go take me a nap. Around about 10, 11 o'clock, I wake up and I always get hungry again. I'll eat these fries later. Cheers. Hold on. Bye.
MK and I'm reppin' for Mukbangs. Louisiana money, militia, no chump change. Going for the shot with no pistol or gun ranges. Going down like the evening summer or sun rays. Let me get a drum roll, signed like Matumbo. Down south flavor, add some spices to your gumbo. Be surprised, just subscribe to the channel. Good heart, good vibes, good food, good family. Mukbangs the place to be, and we got what it takes to make you eat. Mukbangs, we do what we do. Like and subscribe if you like to play with your food.